Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Kakot khubor sngi ha ktien Garo Salantini janera kalara ki ya kajindap arpsan snem nadu usnem arhajar hadu arhajar arpsan. Ha hotel polo orchid tura umintri rongba kajela u konrad ki sangma ula olong ukum ukong san kat bau MP Shri Saleng is sangma bat unong yalam kaliang persha Dr. Mukul sangma kilong ki kenhun buram. Ha kajingkran jung ukonrat sangma ula ai khublai kerpang i kakot khubor kablatrai shitam ban beteng arpsan snem bat penpauru kajingdan kam ban penne i ktien tenrai khasi Garo bat penar. Ki balabu ha kathong ban penrung syaka eid shedu. Ula kedauru ia kabor jung kakot khubor ban seng kajinglong tribe kajing shisha ha ka imlang salang. Usaling sangma ula ong baka Salantini janera kamde tang kakot khubor nri kadairu kajing kershan ia ktien tenrai Katba u Dr. Mukul sangma ula kentu banang penklan ya ke media Garo Hills kum kabor pet ngor ya ke sensyar kadar. Umanas Chowdhury proprietor ke Shillong Times ula penpau bagari ke siningkong pakakot khubor Garo kala ban beteng arpsan snem bat ula penaru ya ke khusnambu snem na ke bentaki kena skul ha ke subjek Garo.
Hello Meghalaya turns
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya.